Goodness comes in evil goes.
Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, my name is Kwende. Today, we're going to get into another important subject, and that is the African Shrine, vehicle of restoration and rejuvenation. By the grace of the Creator Supreme, African people have the ability to restore themselves to their highest level of functioning, no matter how dire the circumstance, no matter how lowly existence may have become. And this has played out over periods of great interruption and great disruption. Now, of course, in this time and space, African people have been subject to great disruptions and great interruptions by others that mean the African ill. Yet that substance of being, of restoration, and the ability to rejuvenate life has always been there and is a testimony to how African souls can lift themselves and thrive, safeguarding themselves from outside imposition, and at the same time rebuilding themselves in the thrust of liberty and in the thrust of nationhood. The African Shrine is a powerful feature that represents and reflects that spirit, that mirror of restoration and that mirror of rejuvenation. When the African goes to the African Shrine, it is with that restorative spirit, that energizing spirit that lifts, that empowers, that highlights the best of the African self and the deeper substance of being that can be revitalized and brought to the fore and brought outwardly to shine magnificently again. And that is grand inheritance that goes beyond the physical. Yet still that physical space allows that deeper substance to elevate. So have that space and have that special place inside the home. It does have function as a vehicle of restoration, a vehicle of rejuvenation. And we can go to that shrine. And regardless of the strata or status we may have been, quote unquote, afforded by others outside of us, we go to the shrine with our deeper selves so that the strength of the self can inform, can energize expression. For the person self, for the harmonious and complementary male-female unions, onward through all the levels of self into nation, restoration and rejuvenation grand. So with that food for thought, and surely it is food for thought, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.